Hey guys, welcome back to another video. This is Gabe with Indigo Software, genuine Microsoft software for less. So in today's video, we're going to be unboxing a new M2 Pro MacBook Pro. And this specific one has the 12-core CPU, 19-core GPU, 16 gigs of RAM, and a 1 terabyte SSD. Now before we get into that, if you guys are interested in Microsoft Office or other genuine Microsoft software at a great price, check out Indigo Software. We'll have links in the description box below. So without further ado, let's get started. All right guys, so we've got the Mac here. Just gonna flip it over and pull these tabs off. All right, let's go ahead and open her up. So right on top, we've got the computer. We're just gonna pull this tab to pull it off, and we can remove this plastic. All right, so we've got the computer. I'm gonna set this aside and we'll come back to it once we look at the contents of the box. All right, so with the M1 MacBook Pros, Apple went back to MagSafe. So we have MagSafe on one end and we have USB-C on the other end. And you can actually still charge this computer with the USB-C Thunderbolt ports. So we'll take this off. So here's the actual charging cable. And next we can lift this up here. And this is the 96-watt power adapter. You have some options here when you're actually purchasing the computer, but I went with the larger wattage here for faster charging. And inside of this little packet here, you get some documents, some setup guides, stuff like that, as well as some Apple stickers. All right, so I've just opened the computer up for the first time, and when you do that, it'll automatically boot up. There's a little plastic protector here. We can remove that. And at this point, we can go ahead and start setting up our computer. So here we have our choice of language. Keep it on English. And then you'll select your country. Here we have some accessibility options. And then the next thing that you'll need to do is connect to your network. All right, and then we'll press continue again. And at this point, you're gonna decide whether to transfer your data from an old machine or to go ahead and start from scratch. All right, so that's gonna do it for this video. If you guys wanna see us actually transfer data from an older Mac, stay tuned, as that's gonna be our next video after this one. Again, if you're interested in genuine Microsoft software at a great price, check out Indigo Software. We'll have the links in the description box below. So thanks for watching, and we'll see you guys in the next video.